Oh, it's gotta be this one. Go Power Rangers! Gotta make some time. Oh yeah. You can't beat the White Ranger. This baby has got to be. Hey, what's up guys? I'm back again, and today we're going to be working on an amazing helmet. We're going to be working on one of my favorite all-time Ranger helmets. We're going to be working on the White Mighty Morphin Power Ranger helmet. Tommy Oliver guy, Jason David Frank, the White Ranger. So today we're going to be doing that. So today we're going to be starting off with something simple. It's a 3D print I've had around here for a while. So I'm actually going to be finishing this helmet. Basically, this helmet has already been with lacquer and some filler and everything. All I have to do now is sand it, add a little bit of bottom, some hot putty, go downstairs, start this off, get this baby ready, and that way get it primed, and for the next day, a little bit of paint. Let's get to it and finish this baby off of my favorite Power Ranger.
And then put it on top of the helmet. That way we can sand it up. Even if some people think it's the fast way to do it, it's really not, because there's still some pinholes and air holes and air pockets that you have to fill in even when you're using body filler. But it does thin out some of the print lines, but not all the time. So there is a lot of sanding involved in this. So I'm just saying, you know, you gotta sand regardless. You sand filament, you're gonna sand some Bondo, and it takes some serious amount of time, guys.
Oh, come on.
A few moments later.
Oh yes guys, it's latch time. Now that this baby has been sanded and it has some primer, before we go any further with some more primer and more sanding, we're gonna add these latches using rivets and also some screws like I showed you in my last video on how to do it. And if you want to know how I did it, I will link you in the description below from the previous video so you guys can check it out yourselves. And if you have any questions, make sure to leave all those questions down in the comments down below, because I will surely be responding as fast as humanly possible, guys. And just so you guys know, if you buy screws and they don't fit inside of the latch holes, all you have to do is basically get some finger files and then just file away the holes until they're wide enough to fit those screws in. And it's gonna take some time, guys. It takes some time, but trust me, it's worth it. And don't forget guys, something that you really need to know when you're working with these helmets of any kind, be it 3D printed or a kit, you need to do some wet sanding, because that's the best way to get the primer as smooth as possible. You want a nice smooth helmet before you add that paint. That way the paint comes out so nice and awesome and smooth, because you really want that nice glistening shine, guys. Alright guys, so now we have the helmet completely finished and painted black, so that leaves us with the next step of pinstriping, and I'm really looking forward to this because I love pinstriping. Never thought I would enjoy it because I thought it'd be kind of hard, but it's actually very easy, and I just love doing it for every one of the helmets that I get a chance to make. So right now we're just gonna pinstripe this baby, make it look all nice, that way we can get it ready for paint for tomorrow.
The next day.
Alright guys, it's Monday morning. I'm going to be heading out to the Walmart and maybe Home Depot to find some paints that are really desperately in need. Because I checked, I'm out of paints of certain types. I need some flat white, I need some metallic gold. It is a treasure hunt to find the gold range of materials, guys. That's what we're going to do, that's where we're going. So, that's what we're going to do. We're here after all that traffic. Oh my god, guys, it took so long to get here. We're looking for materials, we're looking for materials, we're looking for materials. I wonder what I'll find. I'm gonna need so much stuff today, guys. Gotta hunt, gotta hunt. Alright guys, I'm gonna need some of this. Alright guys, so I found the paint I need. I found some gold. So I got some gold. Now I need some, I don't need any metallic silver. I have metallic silver at home. But what we need now is we need some putty. We need putty. This is the kind I use, guys. This is the one right here. Only 716, okay. Oh shoot guys, look at this. Oh my god, guys, look at that. They have red, they have blue. Oh, they have yellow. Oh, but look, guys. Look at this. No. I can't do it. I can't do it.
Alright guys, we finally have reached the home stretch. It's finally the last part, the best part of the helmet process, the finishing paint and the clear coat. That's what we're doing, guys. That's what we're doing. We're on the last day. We're gonna do a nice base coat. First we're gonna add the white, then we're gonna mask the areas, then finish it with some nice metallic gold paint. And then the piece de resistance, guys. We're gonna use some Rustoleum gloss lacquer to cover the whole helmet to make it nice and shiny and beautiful.
Alright guys, so right now I'm gonna go downstairs. I was gonna change my shirt, but I was like, nah, I'm just gonna leave this shirt on for right now because it's just gonna be a basic thing to work on this section of the helmet. Do this part. It's easy. I'm just gonna show you a quick little thing on how to do it. Basically what we're gonna be doing is taking some of our Bondo and our resin. We're gonna actually mix it both together, both using the same hardeners, using the Bondo hardener and the resin hardener, combine it into one. Make a little bit of a mix, that way we have like some type of hardened shell for the inside of the helmet, because some 3D prints are thinner than others, so it doesn't have that much strength. So with this, I want to just give it a little bit more strength, more durability. That way it doesn't feel as fragile as others feel. We want that, and especially when you're going to ship these things, you really want them to be durable as well as well packed. So, I'm just going to show you how it's very simple to do. You guys can do this very simply, but what I suggest, wear a respirator and wear some goggles for your eyes, just in case of splashing. So here we go. Oh yeah, and let's not forget, we also need some gloves, guys.
Alright guys, so I'm going to tell you how to make Rondo. Basically what you need is 1 part body filler Bondo and 1 part resin. And also you will be using both hardeners from the Bondo and also from the resin. Mixing them both together and then pouring it into the inside of our helmet and spreading it around using a paintbrush. Do not worry if you don't want to reuse it, but if you do want to reuse it, the best thing to do is dip your paintbrush in acetone.
Alright guys, so right now we're going to leave that mix of the Bondo and resin sitting in the sun for a little while so it's hardened. So basically we'll be back here, give it about good 10 to 15 minutes, maybe 25, just to be on the safe side that it's completely hardened and adheres to the helmet, and we'll just go from there. Alright?
Alright guys, so we finally finished the Power Ranger helmet of the Mighty Morphin Power Ranger White Ranger helmet, Tiger Ranger. My favorite of Ranger of all time, Tommy Oliver. He's been so many Rangers and he's been the best one, especially now when we saw him again in Ninja Steel with his Master Morpher, that he's able to become any of the Rangers that he's been in the past. And I hope they keep bringing him back for more Power Rangers. They'll do something that he is Lord Draken in one of the series, you know, maybe something on that line, you know. And don't forget guys that just this week they did drop off the new Power Rangers video game for the PS4 and Xbox One, a Power Rangers Battle for the Grid. Don't forget to buy your copy on the Xbox store or the PlayStation store. They're available now. You can get the standard version for $19.99 or you can get the deluxe version for $39.99. So don't forget to get those. And also guys, if you love these videos, don't forget to hit like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, because when you hit those notification bells, you'll be notified when I go live, when I'm gonna go be live gaming, streaming. You guys want to see that, don't you? And also when I drop off a new video, because I have a lot of new videos to be coming guys, and one of the videos is not of a Power Ranger, it is of one of the Power Ranger villains. But if you guys want to see, you gotta stay tuned, you gotta be subscribed, you gotta hit that like button, you gotta hit that notification bell, that way you know when I drop off that video. So guys, that's it for now. I hope that you have an awesome weekend, and I hope to see you again next week. Bye.